right guys? What is the output will be printed? 1 2 3 and I is 11, right? uh, or 3 to 1. It won't print 3 to 1 guys, because it's not printf within the printf, right? It's not printf within the printf. Then it prints 1 2 3, no spaces, right? No spaces. 1 2 3 will be printed. I is what? Length of this plus length of this plus length of this. Then see the output guys. You can check the output. 1 2 3 and I is 11. Okay, now next one guys. Okay, next printf completed. Yeah, next one. See guys, for example, if I write like this, it is a one more property of printf, that is depends upon compiler, it will change guys. See, now I am writing percentile, percentile, percentile. These are different statements guys. This is I value, I comma, I into 4 comma, I value. This I value is initially it's a 5. Take I is 5. This is a one statement. Okay, there is no relation with the second statement. This is another statement. We write output for this guys. Okay, printf of, see this, printf of, in next line, percentile and percentile and percentile. There is no relation with one with another other. I comma I equals to I into 4 comma I. Okay, this is the other statement. Now tell me guys, what is the output for this? Okay, first statement is output is what, second statement output is what? No relation with one with the other. Okay, now first printf statement. Okay, what is second printf statement? Yeah guys, tell me this output. What is the output? Yeah, first percentile is this, right? Second percentile is this, and third percentile is this. Yeah, while printing, how it prints guys? Completed, right? It executes from right to left guys. That is called C declaration calling. Okay, some print, some functions it executes from left to right, some functions it executes from right to left. Okay, are you following guys? Yeah, now how it takes this value? Yeah, first this one will be executed guys. First this one. What is this value? I. What is I value guys? What is I? I value is not modified, that is 5 first. It executes from right to left. First this is 5 guys. Second percentile. What is second percentile guys? I is 4. I equals to I into 4. I value not changed, that is 20. Yeah, third percentile. What is third percentile guys? Again it is I. What is I value? I value not modified, 525. Okay, in this case, come to this case guys. What is this percentile? I is almost 5 only. Yeah, in this case, percentile. What is percentile? I equals to I into 4. That is value is modified to 20. This value is 20 guys. That third percentile. What is third percentile? I is again, it's a 5. Sorry, that is 20 guys. This is 20. 20 25 is this output. That is 525. Yeah, you can see the output, right? See guys. 525, that first printf statement. Second printf statement. You can see the output. See this. 2025 is the output. Got it? Clear, guys? Yeah, 525 and 2025. Next one, guys. Now next one. Yeah, next one. Yeah, same output, right? Tell me, guys, this output is next one. Next one, 525, 2025. Yeah, because Rohit, it follows C declaration calling. Depends upon they implemented like this. They implemented like this. That's why it executes C declaration and Pascal is there. C declaration is there. Pascal is there. What is the Pascal? Left to right. It executes from left to right. C declaration. This is a one conversion, guys. Convention. This is a convention. It executes from right to left. Different conventions are there. Same. If you try in other compiler, you get different outputs. Okay, because this compiler they implemented like this, but in online compiler if you try you get different output. Okay, that is depends upon compiler, it will change. Okay, now next one, guys, see here, I plus 2. Tell me, guys, I plus 2, I plus 3 and I plus 4. I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4. Next one, guys, I equals to I plus 2 comma I equals to I plus 3 comma I equals to I plus 4. Okay, I equals I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4, I equals to I plus 2, I equals to I plus 3, I equals to I plus 4. Now tell me the output this. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now tell me, guys, what is the output here? I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4. First percentile is this, right? Second percentile is this. Third percentile is this. Yeah, while executing, what is the output? 7, 8, 9. It executes right to left only. First 9 will be printed. 8, 7. Here no change if you print right to left or left to right. But here this value I plus 4 9. Next 9 value modified I plus 3. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 12 9. This is the answer. Okay, no? Yeah, guys, that's all today. Okay, no? Did you understand? Do you have any doubts? Printf not completed till we have other printf about printf. We have other statements also. In next session we'll continue. Do you have any other doubts today class?
Sir, why should we take from left to right, sir?
Because in this compiler they implemented, we have different types of conventions. Okay, one is C declaration, other one is Pascal. Okay, we have other KR notations. Different notations are there. Depends upon compiler. In this compiler they implemented right to left. In other compiler they implemented from left to right. That is there in that is depends upon developers. How they
Okay.
implemented that will work that way, right?
Sir, in previous statement, printf 1, 2, 3. There, why we got as 1, 2, 3, sir? Why not 3 to 1 from left to right?
It's not printf within the printf, right? Previously printf within the printf, it executed right to left. Okay,
Not
now?
not with plus sign, sir.
Okay. I told you, right?
Uh,
Those statements will be stored in stack area.
uh,
Stack
if
follows.
slash 0 is used in between,
Sorry.
is we have used one printf, no, sir, using slash 0 in between. Welcome, hello, bye. There,
Yes.
why did we from left to right we did not get execution?
That is a one printf statement, right?
Okay.
That is a one printf statement. In previous one, three printf statements. Printf within the printf, it executes from right to left.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
no? If it is individual statement, one after one will be executed.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts?
Sir, how can we know that our compiler is executing in which way, whether left to right or right to
If you want to, you have to Google it, how it works. Okay?
left?
That
Okay, sir.
depends upon compiler. If you want to know this kind of, if you are going to print this kind of statements, you should know about that, how it prints.
Okay,
Are
sir.
you following?
Yes, sir.
We don't know, right, about how they implemented. If you want to tell
We
also,
can't.
you should know about that
Uh,
statement. How? Yeah, tell me.
we should Google about our compiler, sir.
Yes. Which compiler that is? Which convention it follows?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is
Okay.
a right to left or left to right. But they in exams they won't give this compiler based questions. Don't worry. But we should
Okay,
know
sir.
how many are there, how many ways it can print. You should know